So 15 is a definitional question. The free rider problem is a direct result of, and it is the inability to exclude non-payers. And I think I mentioned this earlier, but like if Mr. Maxwell is a part of the teachers union and I am not a part of the teachers union, and the teachers union advocates for higher wages for everybody, for all teachers, and they have success, unlikely, but let's pretend that happens, then I benefited even though I didn't pay into the teachers union system. That makes me a free rider. But like, it's really hard to exclude non-payers. Like, if we spend all this money on the military, how do we exclude people who are cheating on their taxes? Can you say, well, if the Russians attack, or whoever, pick your enemy, we're going to put you in the front line, like we're going to let them attack this part of Burke Center because Hauppauge doesn't pay his taxes or something? Like, none of it really makes a lot of sense. So it is the inability to exclude non-payers is basically the result of the free rider, is what causes the free rider problem, excuse me.